In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Getresponse. We'll walk through the simplest click-by-click method to build a basic embedded sign-up form that you can add to your website. By the end, you'll have a working form that automatically sends new subscribers straight into your email list. First, once you're logged into your Getresponse account, look at the main navigation bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Forms and Pop-ups. This is where all of your existing forms live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. On this page, find and click the Create Form button. This starts the form creation process and opens up the different types of forms you can build. You'll see a few options for how your form will be displayed. Choose Embedded in a page. This type of form is designed to sit directly inside your web page, like in a sidebar at the bottom of a blog post or on a dedicated sign-up page. After selecting it, click Next to move into the template selection screen. Here, you'll see a gallery of templates. Pick a template that fits your purpose, for example, a simple newsletter sign-up form. Templates are just starting points, so don't worry about getting it perfect. Once you've chosen, click Use Template, and this will open the visual editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your form as it will roughly appear on your site. Click on any form field, like name or email, to customize it. When you select a field, its settings will appear on the right side. Here you can change the label text, decide whether a field is required, or remove fields you don't need. Keep the form as simple as possible to increase the chances that people will complete it. Once you're happy with the basic design and fields, go to the top right of the editor and click Next. This takes you to the subscription settings screen. On this page, choose the list where new contacts collected from this form should be added. This is important because it determines which campaigns and automations they'll receive. You can also optionally enter the URL of the website where you plan to display the form. This can help keep things organized, especially if you use multiple forms across different pages. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish. Getresponse will now generate a code snippet for you. Copy this snippet, then go to your website's HTML and paste it exactly where you want the form to appear. Once you save your page, your new Getresponse sign-up form should be live and ready to start collecting subscribers.